Welcome to Data Design YouTube channel. Unique World Decor can transform a home's interior, turning blank spaces into captivating visual experiences. One standout idea is using texture wall panels, which add depth and dimension through materials like wood, stone, or felt. These panels create a dynamic backdrop, perfect for accentuating any room. Oversized wall art is another powerful design element. A single large piece, whether it's an abstract painting, photograph, or a mural, serves as a bold focal point that draws attention and sets the tone for the space. For a more organic and like aesthetic, macrame and woven wall hangings are an excellent choice. These handmade pieces introduce textures and warmth, giving rooms a bohemian cozy feel. If you're looking into integrate greenery, living walls, or vertical gardens, bringing nature indoors, offering a fresh, eco-friendly decor that thrives in spaces like kitchens or bathrooms. Mirrors are another versatile option. By using mirrors in decorative frames or arranging them in a cluster. You can reflect light and visually expand a smaller space. Sculpture wall lights can function as both art and lighting, providing ambience and enhancing the room's style. Wall-mounted sculptures in materials like metal, ceramic, or wood elevate the decor, offering a three-dimensional aspect that feels curated and refined. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, or like Interior Designs channel.